Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be quickly demonstrating how to store dry ice for long periods of time. Dry ice sublimates directly from a solid to a gas at atmospheric pressure. However, around 812 psi at room temperature, carbon dioxide exists as a liquid. Thus, it can be stored for long periods of time as a liquid under pressure, and then when it is needed, the pressure can be released to form dry ice due to cooling from expansion. This is a similar technique that others have used for making dry ice on command from carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. To start, we will need some scuba diving tanks, or another tank capable of holding over 1000 psi. I found these tanks for free on Facebook Marketplace. However, an empty carbon dioxide fire extinguisher will work as well. After ensuring the tanks are fully drained, a wrench was used to unscrew the top valve. With the help of my sister and my cousins, several pounds of dry ice was loaded into the tank. It is important to wear gloves so that the dry ice does not burn you. The dry ice was purchased from Praxair. However, the nearest Praxair to me is over an hour away, so storing it like this is more convenient to have dry ice on hand. If you have a dry ice supplier near your house, it is more efficient to just buy it as needed instead of storing it as a liquid. Once all the dry ice was added, the valve was left in the open position and it was screwed back on. Once screwed on tight, the valve could be closed to begin pressurizing the tank. The tank was weighed and in total 11 pounds of carbon dioxide was added. This can now be left to warm up to room temperature. As a side note, this project was filmed when I was still in high school, so it has now been 5 years and the tank still contains carbon dioxide. As a quick demonstration, a pillowcase can be placed over the valve and it can be opened to expand the carbon dioxide, lower the temperature, and thus form some dry ice. I just do a quick demonstration here as I don't want to waste the stored carbon dioxide, but you can see a tiny amount of dry ice form. This is a very useful way to store carbon dioxide for later use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.